Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hi everyone. Today, Athirah and my friends Norsyamimi would like to present to you all about how to formatting the worksheet and using formula and function in Microsoft Excel. First, we need to know why we format the worksheet because we want the worksheet can be easily to be read and understand. And in this figure, it shows that the worksheet was unformat and I show you step by step on how to format it. First step is we need to change the workbook themes. You click the A1 and then you bring the arrow to the page layout. You find the themes and for me I want to choose Ion and as our themes and it comes like this. As you can see, the font and the font color also change in this figure. And why we use the book themes because we want the company have a similar appearance and standardized, so it easily to find in any worksheet in the company. The next step is we want to format the worksheet titles. First, you click to the A1 and then you click the home tab button and you find the cell style and click the title one. So it become like this. And in AB we can also increase the font size or increase the font size. For me, I want to increase a bit bigger than the others but smaller than the title. And then in A1 you drag until the K1 and you can merge and center. So the result will come out like this, and you do the same step on the subtitle. Okay, become like this. Now we want to change the background color and apply border. So you click the A1 and A2 and then you find the fill color, and for me I want to choose this one, blue gray accent 5 lighter 80% as our fill color. And when we want to apply a border, you just click the border button and then you find and I want to choose the thick outside borders. So the result will come out like this. The fourth step is we want to apply column heading and total row, and you click the A3 and then you drag until the K3 and then you click the cell style. You pick the heading 3 as our heading. And for the total row, I click the A9 until the K9 and then you click the cell style. You click the total one. So the worksheet will come out like this. And the fifth step is we want to format dates and center data in cells, which means we want to make the simplest format in this date. On how to do this, I click the K4 until click the K4 until the K8. Then as you can see, you click the number format and you click the numbers in this, find the date, and you can choose any varieties of dates in there. And for me, I want to choose 14/3/12 in this, and you click OK. So the dates format have been changed. And the sixth step I want to apply an accounting number font and comma style format. First, we go to the accounting style format. You click the hover page, the E4 until the H4, but you want to skip the I column, so you just need to click the button. You need to hold the button control and then you click the J4 and you do the same step in the total row. You drag, hold the control, click the J9 and then you click the button, the accounting button. For me, I want to choose RM as our currency. Yeah, it become like this. As you can see, the RM have been stated in this worksheet. For the comma style, I want to choose the E5 and drag until the H8 and you control the button, pick until to J5 until to J8 and you click the comma style button in this arrow. As you can see, the numbers have been lined up and changed it. So we want to change the currency style format. We need to drag and then you click the format cell and find the currency format and I choose this one. As you can see in the row of E to 12, E10 to 12, H12, it's been stated the RM currency. As you can see, the I column, we doesn't use the format style yet because we want this format at this worksheet have been stated the percentage. So you drag the I4 to the I8 to the I11 and then you click the percent style and you can see that the percent symbol have been stated in the worksheet and the additional, if you want to edit the decimal function, you can increase decimal or you can decrease the decimal. For me, I want to increase the decimal. So it stated the point also in the percentage. For conditional formatting, we choose the D4 until to the D8 and then we click the conditional formatting in this, click the new row, the second step and find the greater than in this and you choose the 72. Why 72? Because in that column we want to find the numbers that have the greater than 72 and the box will fill the color. And you click the format, you click this font, you choose the white color, click OK. And the preview from this that we have the custom, that we choose the font color as the white color and the background color we choose the blue color. Then you click the OK. And as you can see, the numbers have been greater than 72 before, which is 80, have been bold. Okay, then I will show you how to change the column width First, you need to click the column A until the column C, and then you have a double arrow and double click. So as you can see, the column that have been selected will come out the best fit column. And then we can do the other example in this column, which means the D column, the E column, and then you want to do without a F column, but you want to straight to the J column, kind of like this. As you can see, the three columns have a same size column. Now we're gonna do the next step, which is we want to change the row height. First, we click the A3 column, and then you can drop a little bit to make a differences than the other column. And we can do the other example on the A10. Maybe drop a bit. Yeah, it become like this. And now we want to checking spelling that have been this worksheet. First, we need to click the A3, and then you click the review button, click the spelling, and then as you can see in A3 column there is a misspelling, which is employees supposedly. And then in the suggestion box we can choose any kind of word that's suitable in this column. For me, I choose this, and you click change. As you can see, the other column, it shows the federal. We correct this and change. And for the higher date, do the same step, change. Okay, and then we click yes, close. Check complete, you are good to go. Okay. And now we move to the next step, which is we want to print the worksheet. First, we need to change the worksheet margin, header, and orientation. First, you need to click the page layout, and then it come out like this. And then, as you can see, it also include the header. You click this, and then you can do what your names. Fill the information, and then you can adjust it. Okay, come like this. And we want to fit the margin. We choose the page layout, click select the margin, go to narrow, it come like this. Okay, now we can print it. Click the file button, go to the print button, and then you can go to the no scaling and fit sheet on one page. So it will come out like this. Now we want to print a section of the worksheet that we only want. First, we go back, and then you highlight the information that you only needed in this column. Me, I want just this column. And then You go to the file bar, click print, you click print active sheet, click the print selection. That means only print the current selection that have been highlighted. And it come out like this for the example. Now you can click to the print button so you can print.
Okay, I want to show you guys how to entering the formula into the Excel. Okay, firstly, put down the company's name and then bi-weekly payroll report, and for third column, put down employee's name, hires date, dependent, hours work, hourly pay rate, and then gross pay, federal tax, next is state tax, net pay, and tax in percent. Okay, firstly, put down the employee's name. For example, I put here Athirah, Mimi, and Ifa. I just put three names only because I want to show you guys a simple example. And then for hire date, I'm just put randomly. Depender for 1, 3, and 2. Hours work and hourly pay rate, I just put it randomly. Okay, done for the data of employees. So we need to calculate gross pay, federal tax, state tax, net pay, and tax. So for gross pay, the formula is hours work multiplied by hourly pay rate. So firstly, you need to entering equal, make sure the equal in front of the number. And then for our work, just double click, and for multiply, just using symbol star, and double click to hourly pay rate, and then click enter to get the answer. For federal tax, the formula is 0.22 multiplied by gross pay minus dependent multiply to 4.32. So what you need to do is equal 0.22 multiply using symbol star gross pay, just double click to gross pay. Okay, firstly opening bracket, gross pay minus dependent, just double click for dependent, yeah, and closing bracket, and then next click enter. For state tax, the formula is 0.04 multiply gross pay. What you need to do is equal 0.04 multiply gross pay, just double click to gross pay. Make sure if you calculate for Athirah, you're using the data of Athirah. And click enter. For net pay, gross pay minus federal tax plus state tax. For federal tax, equal, double click in gross pay minus opening bracket, double click for federal tax and state tax, and then you click enter. For tax in percent, the formula is federal tax plus state tax over by gross pay equal federal tax, double click to federal tax plus state tax over by gross pay, and then click enter. Okay, next we don't have to calculate all the data. What we need to do is just drag the columns of employees and click fill, click right, and then we need to calculate total, average, highest, and lowest. For the total, click auto sum and then click enter. For others answer, you just drag them. Fill, click right. And then for average, what you need to do is type equal AV and you see the average and click them. Click it. Drag the employee's name and then click enter and you get the average of the hours work. To get all the answer, you just drag it and fill and click right. For highest, click the symbol and find max, M-A-X, and then drag the column that you want to find the highest and then click enter. For the answer, all the answer, you just drag, fill and click right. For the lowest, you just click auto sum, find the mean and drag the answer, click enter. Okay, done for the data of payroll. So we need to make it more formal. So we can put the title into the center. Drag and click merge and center. And below, click merge and center too. So you can change the font size and then for the style you just drag all the data and then click cell style and find any style that you want. You can refer to the slide. So I choose this one. I want to make it the title bold and the total bold. Okay, for tax in percent, I want to make it in percent. So click to the general and find the percentage. For hourly pay rate until net pay, I want to change it into currency, which is in RM. You just drag them and find click accounting. Make it space for total. So if you want to see the most higher or the highest who are work employees who are work more, so you can just click unconditional formatting. And for the so this is like how to entering the formula. You can just refer it. This is a formula, currency and percentage, style, choose whatever style that you want, and this is to apply conditional formatting, step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4.